Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to install security updated on your Infinix phone. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Infinix Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to go to settings. Then on getting to this point, you have to locate security. Then take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you look for security update. So click on security update. It takes you to this particular page right here. Now you will be told when last do you update your security. So right here, updated Google security patch to June 5th, 2024. So update version key is going to be shown. Then now the current update here is 6.27 gig. So for you to start the security update on your phone, what you need to do is to simply click on resume. Then the security update is going to start. Just like what you see right here. Now, one thing you need to take into consideration is that when you are doing security update on your phone, make sure that your phone is fully charged, or better still, you can make sure you plug your phone, and also make sure you have enough data that can carry out the task on your phone, because everything needs to be updated completely. And once you update the security patch completely, you are good to go. And your Android phone, your Android patch, everything is going to be updated, and then your phone security is going to be improved without any stress. So basically, this is how to update security patch on your Infinix phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.